Cognex is the first and foremost vision system company in the world. So we do around $1 billion a year of just vision systems. So when most companies have a very challenging project for foreign material inspection or some of the really advanced stuff, they typically come to us, because if we can't do it, there's a very high probability that no one else can.
So when it comes to your particular industry, so what is the number one challenge for customers?
So what we see as big challenges is one is like the whole ease of use. And again, just going back to why we have relationships with Mitsubishi Electric and machine builders and the end users, is people really don't know how to specify projects well and integrate it really well. So the biggest challenge would be that whole ease of use and getting things integrated. That's definitely one of the biggest challenges.
You said something very important, I believe, about not only having the right equipment and the right solution for a problem, but also like being able to create a proper team of experts also on the customer side, right?
Absolutely. So with the technology advancing really quickly, when you have things like deep learning, robotics, everything that has to talk, a lot of the departments have to talk to each other to make their projects successful. So what we've seen a couple of times in industry is maybe quality is not involved from the early stage. That puts a lot of risk into the project. So communication and how people work and how companies work together to have solutions is really important. You can't do anything on your own because everyone is an expert in their individual field. So Mitsubishi Electric and Cognex are using that to combine their technology together to make sure that the end user has this whole experience. And by eliminating all the risk of the communication, we can really do it together at a fast pace. So the big trends I see are putting these technologies together, deep learning, robotics, making sure that you can take that data and actually do something with it. So usually people are also trying to combine that with the cloud. So the whole connected industry thing is actually becoming real now. And so in industry, that is for sure where we see everything going. Deep learning, taking operators out of the process, reducing those errors, and really applying the technology with robotics. And again, that's why Mitsubishi Electric and Cognex have such a good partnership. We have something that can pick up our parts, look at them, rotate them, and put them in front of a very advanced vision system. There's not many companies who can do that within a couple of hours and get something that usually took people, 6 to 8 months.